Hello, my name is Carlos Salazar, speaking assignment, Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia en el programa de Administración en Salud. Le vengo sobre los effects of technology on the environment. I believe that human activities are causing a king on damages what will West become tomorrow. Human activities are causing a king of pollution, and this pollution will increasingly affect on life on Earth. For example, in tour on the dark planet temperature has been increased due to continuous burning of the fuels used in our machines and factories. Increasing then when comes greenhouse effect. Technology and in progress are a ultimate use or benefit use. In IO use to weak both the damages of the test environment and the door the Mars stick to and by causing minor pollution. Protecting the environment was become under the priority. This is the main task on Euclid economic and social development. Most importantly, which must ensure their health in survival of human beings across the planet. Thank you so much.